Hello friends, how are you? I'm fine. Today I'm going to present you a video on comparison between Toyota Fortuner and MG Magister. So today you want today I will show you how they both differ. So firstly we will talk about the price. On-road daily price of MG Magister is 53 lakhs. While Toyota Fortuner has 59.5 lakhs. MG Magister have 2-liter diesel and Toyota Fortuner have 2.8-liter diesel. MG Magister has number of cylinder if we talk about. So MG Magister have 4 numbers of cylinder while Toyota Fortuner also have 4 cylinder. Max power if we talk about, so MG Magister has 213 rpm at 213 bhp at 4000 rpm, while Toyota Fortuner has 201.15 bhp at 3000 rpm. Max torque, MG Magister has 478 Newton meter at 1500 to 2400 rpm, while Toyota Fortuner have 500 Newton meter at 1620 to 2820 rpm. If we talk about valves per cylinder, then both have 4 valves per cylinder. Valves configuration if we talk about, so both have DOHC, means double overhead camshaft. Fuel supply system if we talk about, so both have direct injection. Transmission type automatic, both have automatic. Gearbox if we talk about, so MG Magister has 8 speed while Toyota Fortuner has 6 speed with sequential shift. If we talk about drive type, then 4-wheel drive both have, hai na? If we talk about top speed, then MG Magister has 165 km per hour while Toyota Fortuner has 190 km per hour top speed. Front suspension if we talk about, so MG Magister has a double wishbone while Toyota Fortuner has also double wishbone. Rear suspension if we talk about, multi-link suspension we got in MG Magister, while Toyota Fortuner has multi-link suspension, both have same. Steering type if we talk about, MG Magister has electric while Toyota Fortuner has hydraulic. Steering column both have tilt and telescopic. Turning radius if we talk about, MG Magister has 6 meter while Toyota Fortuner has 5.8 meter because its wheelbase is shorter than MG Magister. So if we talk about the alloy wheel size, then front alloy wheel has 19 inch and of MG Magister, and rear also. If we talk about Toyota Fortuner, then it has 18 inch alloy wheel in both rear and front. Boot space if we talk about, MG Magister gives 343 liters boot space while Toyota Fortuner gives 296 liters. If we talk about length, then 5046 millimeter MG Magister have while 4795 Toyota Fortuner gives. Width if we talk about, then 2016 millimeter is the width of MG Magister while Toyota Fortuner width is 1855 millimeter. If we talk about height, so height of the MG Magister is 1876 millimeter while Toyota Fortuner has 1835 millimeter height. Wheelbase if we talk about, then wheelbase MG Magister has 2950 mm while Toyota Fortuner has 2735 mm wheelbase. So number of doors if we talk about, both have 5 doors. If we talk about exterior, then we will having a comparison in back side. As you can see, wheel, as you can see, headlight, as you can see, tail light, as you can see, and front, as you can see in screen. Okay, so now we are going to talk about MG Magister and Toyota Fortuner interior and safety. So first of all, automatic climate control if we talk about, so MG Magister has 3 zone while Toyota Fortuner has 2 zone. USB charger, MG Magister has front and rear. MG Magister has USB charging ports in front and rear while Toyota Fortuner has only in front. Massage seats, front MG Magister has in fronts, while Toyota Fortuner does not have. Anti-lock braking system both have. Child safety locks both have. Number of airbags if we talk about, so MG Magister has 6 airbags, while Toyota Fortuner has 7 airbags. 360 view camera MG Magister will give you, but Toyota Fortuner will not give you. That is a big disadvantage for Toyota Fortuner. So if we talk about ambient lighting, then MG Magister gives ambient lighting, but Toyota Fortuner does not. Ambient lighting is the interior lighting that have many colors. You see in many interior pictures. Okay, so both have Wi-Fi connectivity. And if we talk about warranty, then MG Magister gives 5 years, but Toyota Fortuner gives 3 years. If we talk about interior, then you can see infotainment mid close-up, front air vents as you can see, steering wheel as you can see, front seats as you can see, and dashboard as you can see, and instrument cluster as you can see. So today's video is going to over now. You subscribe this video, like and share. Also comment this video that how did you like or not, and comment that which car comparison do we will going to be conducted. Okay, so bye bye friends, and tell me which car comparison you want to